So today we got another challenge. We're making a beat using an 808 only. If you want to check out my other video where I use a hi-hat only, make sure to go check out the link in the description or somewhere up here. But today we're making a beat using a 808 only. Let's just dive right into it. I'm going to just drag in a couple of 808s. My question is, can we make chords with this? All right. Let's just start with like a random note on C, maybe some triplets. I like this bounce. It's sounding a bit weird, but once we add effects to this, it will sound 10 times better. I want to copy that over. I like that little top run right there. Yeah, I like that. A little bit of room. Let's add some effects to this, some reverb. What it needs as well is some attack on the 808. Woo! Say nothing. We made this with an 808, bro. Kickstart. Oh my days, bro. Let's layer this. So what we're going to do for this 808, I like these chords, so just like that. Really repetitive. Let's add halftime to this. Okay, what I'm going to do is render out the second 808 pattern and then reverse it because the gross beat was a little bit laggy. Reverse this and then make sure it's on tempo. Gotta make sure it's in the right order as well. So we need to rearrange it when you reverse melodies. So like this. Let's put down some 808 notes. Oh, maybe we can use this as a hi-hat. I don't know about this. Maybe a little bit. Let's get the lows out of it. I think the trick right here is to make like 808 shorter. Shit sound like a fart, bro. Damn. Maybe some distortion on this. The hi-hat also needs like some extra spice on this. Copy that over. It's harder than I thought, bro. Let's pitch it. I feel like the hi-hat is the hardest part for some reason, bro. I did not expect the hi-hat to be this hard. Could be a nice counter melody. We can add Portal to this as well. See if Portal can come up with something unique. That's nasty. Let's render that out. Track up the volume. That's nice. I low-key fuck with it, I low-key don't fuck with it. It's weird, bro. It's just not slapping because there's no hi-hat. Like, I'm just not 100% about the hi-hat though. We can maybe drag down the sample rate. Okay, drag that in. She's a man, not enough. She's a dog. I just did not enough. Yeah, that's cool though. We made that all using an 808. I'm just sad about the hi-hat, but either way, bro, it's like the beat came out pretty decent. I thought it would came out worse. This was a fun little challenge. Let me know down below what you want to see me use next, and I'll try to flip like something using a hi-hat only. We did that before, and then 808 only, so make sure to go check out the other video as well. If you learned from this and if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Also, I'm active on social media as well, and the drum sounds are in the link in the description, so feel free to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.